First of all, I want to thank you guys so much for taking on this challenge. I promise you, within the next 10 days, you will see amazing progress, not only in your physical health, but your mental health. You wake up in the morning, you browse your phone like how you normally do every single morning, or at least I know some of you do. I know I do it sometimes. But spend 10 minutes. Spend 10 minutes after you wake up browsing Instagram, browsing Snapchat, doing what you normally do. After those 10 minutes, I want you to roll out of your bed and rep out 40 push-ups. That's it. Nothing too much, nothing too little. Just 40 push-ups. I don't care how many sets it takes. I don't care how long it takes. Just get those 40 push-ups done. If you cannot do push-ups yet, I want you to go on your knees and do them to the best of your ability. But no matter what, in that day, you must get those 40 push-ups done. That's it. It's not too complicated. I believe in you. I know you can do it. Let's get this working. So you guys did your 40 push-ups, and now you're kind of like, what do I do next? I'm going to give you guys a list of a few things you can take on, or you can choose not to. Number 1, you can take a shower and end it with a cold rinse. Number 2, you can make a healthy breakfast. And I'm actually going to insert my video of me making a healthy breakfast into this video right here, so you can just follow along with it. It'll be at the end of the video. I'm not sure if there's timestamps. If there are, they'll be right here. But yeah, make a healthy breakfast. And if you're feeling really gutsy today, I would recommend writing down goals, writing down short-term, writing down long-term goals. Keep in mind, this list I'm giving you is not wholeheartedly part of the challenge. It is an add-on. It is an accessory to the challenge if you feel gutsy. The main part of the challenge is getting those 40 push-ups done every single day, no matter how long it takes, no matter how many sets you have to do, get them done. Because what this is doing, it's building up habits. It's formulating habits in your brain. It is teaching you that you can get things done. You can start from day 1, get to day 10 if you wanted to. Having that dopamine released in your brain telling you, hey, I got satisfied from finishing this challenge. It's gonna give you that extra push to take on bigger tasks. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying the challenge so far. I hope you guys are willing to finish this from start to finish. As I said, share your update with people in the whole group. Share your progress with everybody. Send pictures, send update pictures. Just be involved. I believe in you guys. Hope you guys finish the challenge. Take it easy.